This video will show you how to uninstall the stock tail lights on all 2015 through 2023 Mustangs.
All right, we're gonna start off by first popping the trunk to gain access to the inner panels here. All right, we're gonna first start off by getting our liner out of the way there, and then we're gonna remove the 4 plastic nuts holding the back plastic on. Two over here as well. Set these to the side. All right, now I have a push pin removal tool. There are 2 Christmas tree clips that you have to remove. There's one here, and there's one right on the other side. Now we can peel back our liner to expose our wiring harness right here, and then we have to get this 10mm nut off that stud right there. So you have to get this 10mm nut, and then these 2. Those are the only 3 holding in the taillight housing. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is unplug this taillight, and then take my 10mm socket. I am using a deep socket. Start loosening up this nut until it's finger tight, and you can back it off the rest of the way. Hold on to this hardware, you will be reusing it. Now there are 2 more up here as well. All right, we're going to repeat that on the other side as well. All right, now with your wiring and your 3 nuts removed, we can now pull straight back on our taillight assembly. Now there's gonna be a grommet right here that holds your wiring harness in place. Peel back that and bring back your plug. All right, it's the same step for this side as well. Pull straight back. Take your grommet out, as well as your plug.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.